Hi, my name's Stu and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I will be doing some drone stuff as well, but I will also be showing you one of my other hobbies, which is the piping. I am a piper, I play the bagpipes, I've been playing for 2 years. I learned it for my own wedding. I surprised, not my wife because she knew, but my family, friends and everyone who was there had no idea that I had become a piper in the meantime. I will link a video down below which was made by my instructor about my journey. He asked me if I would want to do an interview. I will link it down below and then you can see, talk a bit more about that. But today as a start I thought I will just play a song for you, if that's okay. I hope you enjoy. That was Scots Way, the song written by Robert Burns. I was going to say Robert the Bruce there. Robert Burns, I'll have to look up when it was done. I'll blend that in. But I hope you enjoyed. It was the very first song I learned to play. I've been playing it now for 2 years, still like doing it. Yes. And now I will cut to the drone action. See you there. Okay, we've arrived at our destination. We are at Castle Kreuzenstein, or in German Burg Kreuzenstein, which is just outside of Vienna. It's a lovely day with a lot of sun and no wind, which is ideal for the drone, and I hope you enjoy my drone shots.